Is the toilet flange aligned with the finished floor so the bowl will seal and sit stable? The correct flange height is when the top of the flange sits flush with the finished floor surface, so the toilet horn compresses the wax ring evenly and the closet bolts hold the bowl down without rocking. To check before installing, dry fit the toilet over the flange and look for a small visible gap where the bowl base meets the floor. There should be no noticeable tilt, and the bowl should press lightly on the flange when bolts are tightened a quarter turn past snug. If the flange is too low, use a flange extender kit or choose a thicker wax ring with a built-in sleeve and layer thin flange spacers until the top aligns with the finished floor. Press the extender flat, torque the screws evenly, and retest the fit. If the flange is too high, measure the excess above the floor and carefully grind the flange down using a grinding wheel or a fine file while protecting the pipe and wearing eye protection and a dust mask. Then deburr the edge and retest the fit. When replacing flooring, remember to recheck flange height after tile or underlayment goes down, since even a small added thickness changes the seal. Always tighten closet bolts, gradually, alternating sides, and avoid over-tightening, which can crack porcelain or compress the wax unevenly. Common mistakes include assuming the old wax ring sealed correctly, so you skip measuring, which leads to leaks. Measure flange to finished floor distance before buying materials to prevent this. People often use multiple thin wax rings stacked, which can compress unpredictably and cause wobble. Use a single properly sized thick ring or an approved sleeve style and a flange height kit instead. Another issue is grinding a flange flush without supporting or protecting the waste pipe, which can introduce metal shavings into the drain and damage the flange. Clamp a scrap rag below, vacuum shavings, and inspect the inside of the pipe before final assembly. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and trade professionals for jobs involving toilet flange adjustments and other remodeling tasks. Our site also connects contractors with new leads and hosts an active discussion community so we can all share tips, ask questions, and troubleshoot flange height challenges together.